Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak kabobs on the grill. First, select a good cut of steak, like sirloin or ribeye, and trim any excess fat. Cut the steak into uniform 1-inch cubes to ensure everything cooks evenly. Next, prepare your marinade. A simple mix of soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, and herbs works wonderfully. Allow the steak to marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours for maximum flavor absorption. This initial preparation is key to delicious results. Now let's assemble those delicious kabobs. Thread your marinated steak cubes onto skewers, alternating with your favorite vegetables. Bell peppers, red onion, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes are excellent choices for color and flavor. If using wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes beforehand to prevent them from burning on the grill. Make sure not to pack the ingredients too tightly. A little space allows for even cooking and beautiful charring on all sides. It's time to hit the grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place your kabobs directly over the heat and grill for approximately 8 to 10 minutes total. Be sure to turn them every 2 to 3 minutes to get a nice, even char on all sides of the steak and vegetables. Cook until the steak reaches your preferred doneness, usually medium rare to medium, for the best texture. Once your kabobs are perfectly grilled, remove them from the heat and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. You can then slide the steak and veggies off the skewers onto a platter, or serve them directly on the skewers. Garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and extra freshness. For other great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, check out the description below. Enjoy your incredible homemade steak kabobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.